Welcome to Reviewsinside TV, your trusted source for all things product related. In today's review, we're taking a look at the GreenPan Nut Milk Maker. This sleek, versatile kitchen appliance promises to bring a variety of non-dairy milk options right to your countertop, along with the ability to make soups, smoothies, and more. Let's see what it really has to offer, and if it's worth your time and investment. The GreenPan Nut Milk Maker is a 15-in-1 multifunctional device that aims to simplify your kitchen routine. Whether you want to create dairy-free almond, soy, rice, or oat milk, or even cashew, pistachio, macadamia, and walnut milk, this appliance can handle it all. It's designed to take the mess and hassle out of making your own plant-based milk at home, and it also doubles as a versatile blender for soups, smoothies, sauces, dips, and baby food. But is it as convenient and efficient as it claims to be? Let's break it down. The first thing that stands out about the GreenPan Nut Milk Maker is its 30-ounce capacity. This is perfect for family-sized batches of whatever you're blending, and its BPA-Free container ensures you're not compromising on health. Whether you're preparing hot or cold beverages, this machine has you covered. And it's compact enough to fit easily in your kitchen without taking up too much counter space. Its 6 versatile presets give you quick access to various functions: soy milk soup, nut oat milk, smoothies, boil water, self-clean, and delay timer. A quick turn of the dial is all it takes to get started, and you can even set a timer for delayed start, which is perfect if you want to wake up to fresh almond milk or hot soup. In terms of real-world use, the GreenPan Nut Milk Maker really shines when it comes to ease of operation. Simply add your ingredients, pour in water, and select the desired preset. The Easy View window lets you monitor the blending process, and the powerful motor ensures that everything is blended evenly and efficiently. From creamy almond milk to smooth soups, the performance is impressively consistent. The machine also has a self-cleaning feature, which makes cleanup a breeze. After you're done, just press the self-clean button, and the nut milk maker takes care of the rest. It's a feature that's both practical and time-saving, especially for those who want to avoid dealing with a big mess after their cooking sessions. One of the biggest benefits of this product is the quality of the milk it makes. Homemade, plant-based milk is free from the additives and emulsifiers found in store-bought varieties. There's no need to worry about oils, gums, thickeners, or sweeteners sneaking into your diet. Everything you make is fresh, and you have complete control over the ingredients, which is a huge plus for anyone trying to live a healthier lifestyle. Plus, the milk has a creamy texture that rivals what you'd get from a Barista quality machine. However, it's not without its drawbacks. The 30-ounce capacity is great for small families or those who don't drink milk by the gallon, but it could be limiting for larger households or for people who entertain guests often. It also doesn't have the same level of versatility as some of the higher-end, more specialized milk makers out there. For example, some of the competition offers more advanced settings, such as heating and frothing functions, which can be crucial for those looking to replicate barista-quality drinks at home. While it does a great job making plant-based milk, don't expect it to be a one-stop solution for all your milk-based needs. Also, the motor can get slightly noisy when in full operation, especially during the initial stages of blending, which may be a bit off-putting for those who prefer quiet appliances. Let's talk value for money. The GreenPan Nut Milk Maker is priced competitively, especially considering the variety of functions it offers. When compared to other similar devices in the market, it's a solid mid-range option. For example, the Nutrimilk machine, which is marketed as a more premium device, costs a bit more but offers a higher capacity and more specialized features like nut butter making. However, the GreenPan still stands out due to its balance of price and versatility. If you're looking for something that does a little bit of everything and is easy to use, the GreenPan Nut Milk Maker offers good value. In terms of build quality, the GreenPan Nut Milk Maker is well constructed. The BPA-Free container is durable, and the materials feel solid enough to handle daily use without any issues. The magnetic lid detection feature adds an extra layer of safety by ensuring the appliance doesn't operate if the lid is not securely in place, an excellent feature for peace of mind. Over the long term, it's difficult to predict exactly how it will hold up since the product is fairly new. But GreenPan has a strong reputation for delivering reliable kitchen products, so we expect this one to last. As for customer support, GreenPan has a generally positive reputation, but I haven't had any direct interactions with their service team. However, based on the brand's track record, you can expect standard customer service experiences if you run into any issues. The product also comes with a strainer, cleaning brush, and detachable cord, all of which enhance convenience and ease of use. These thoughtful accessories make the overall experience smoother, and it's a nice touch that adds to the product's practicality. If you're looking for a more specialized product that can do everything that the GreenPan Nut Milk Maker offers, plus more, you may want to consider alternatives like the Vitamix or the Nutrimilk, which provide more power and customization. But for a product that's designed for everyday use and versatility, this nut milk maker stands strong. It's perfect for those who prioritize fresh, healthy, plant-based milk and want to have fun experimenting with other kitchen creations like smoothies and soups. To wrap it up, the GreenPan Nut Milk Maker offers a strong blend of features, performance, and value. Its ability to make dairy-free milk with a creamy texture in minutes is impressive, and the versatile presets make it a handy kitchen companion for a variety of dishes. While it might not replace high-end machines, if you're looking for advanced functions like frothing or larger capacities, it's a fantastic choice for everyday use. If you want to enjoy healthy, homemade plant-based milk without the hassle, this product is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in to Reviews Inside TV. If you've enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more in-depth reviews. Got any thoughts on the GreenPan Nut Milk Maker or your own experiences with similar products? Drop a comment below. If you want to check out this product, the link's in the comments box. Until next time, stay fresh and keep your kitchen game strong.